Hey guys, Carl here with Panama City Beach MarineMax. Today I'm going to be showing you the Harris 210 Cruiser, some of the features, the benefits of owning this pontoon boat. Let's jump on board and see what we have. All right guys, starting up here in the bow, your bow seating, you have plenty of space for 4-5 people if necessary. This table is already mounted up front and it's adjustable to kind of conform to your way of seating when you're entertaining or just enjoying the day. Moving back, we have 2 captain's chairs in this particular model. That opens up for a lot of space midship. Gives you plenty of space to move around and to accommodate multiple bodies on the boat itself. At the helm, you're equipped with a Simrad screen and electronics, upgraded stereo, that's JL audio. And this boat is equipped with some nice upgrades. You got the electric bimini top. Press a button, she's down. Press a button, she comes back up. You have your red, blue, and green lighting, LED lighting throughout the entire boat, even on your bimini top as well. Here in your rear seating area, kind of mirrors the front. So you got plenty of space for seating 4 or 5 people if necessary. Nice open walk-through design on this boat, from front to back, all the way to the rear. Again, storage throughout each seating area in the rear. You even have a built-in garbage can on your port side. In the rear here, you got the extended platform that gives you a little bit more space for the rear, your tow bar if you're into water sports, and you are equipped with a 150 horse Mercury outboard. Plenty of horsepower to get a 21-foot Harris pontoon on plane and going as fast as you may need. My name's Carl here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Give me a call if you need any help, 334-695-6035.